Welcome to SK English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn fruit vocabulary in English. Are you ready? Let's start. This is an apple. Apple. This is an orange. Orange. This is a banana. Banana. These are grapes. Grapes. This is a lemon. Lemon. This is a lime. Lime. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. These are blueberries. Blueberries. These are blackberries. Blackberries. These are raspberries. Raspberries. These are cranberries. Cranberries. These are cherries. Cherries. This is an avocado. Avocado. This is a pineapple. Pineapple. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. This is a mango. Mango. This is a papaya. Papaya. This is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. These are lychees. Lychees. This is a durian. Durian. This is a jackfruit. Jackfruit. This is a guava. Guava. These are longans. Longans. This is a rambutan. Rambutan. This is a mangosteen. Mangosteen. This is a cherimoya. Cherimoya. This is a soursop. Soursop. This is a pear. Pear. This is a coconut. Coconut. This is a kiwi. Kiwi. This is a peach. Peach. This is an apricot. Apricot. This is a melon. Melon. This is a persimmon. Persimmon. This is a star fruit. Star fruit. These are tamarinds. Tamarinds. This is a cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. This is a plum. Plum. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranate. This is a passion fruit. Passion fruit.